Welcome. This video will show you how to install, configure, and test the Speedship Rate Connect application by ShipRater. This application connects to Worldwide Express Speedship web services and returns rates associated with your worldwide account. Open your Magento Connect Manager and clear any selected options under Settings. Under Direct Package File Upload, select the Browse button and select the Rate Connect package that you purchased from ShipRater for installation. The package will automatically install and confirmation displays in the Auto Scroll console. Now that the package is installed, let's configure the app settings. Let's open our Magento admin panel for the shopping cart. Select System in the navigation bar and scroll to Configuration. This will take you to General Settings page. Scroll down to the shipping methods on the left of the page and select. This opens a Speedship Carrier tab under Shipping Methods, where you will enter all of your credentials associated with your account and also select and set options to display in your shopping cart. Select your options and set them, and then select Save. Once the settings have been saved, a confirmation bar will show on the top left near the title. Now that we have our Speedship account settings saved in the application, let's test the shopping cart from the customer's point of view to ensure it is working. We will add a product to the cart. In the cart, we will have options to estimate shipping costs. First, add a zip code, and then select a state. Once you have selected your destination information, press Estimate. This will return a list of carriers with prices for customers to compare. Once you have decided on a carrier, select the Proceed to Checkout button to continue to checkout. Customer billing information is a required first step of checkout and must be filled out. Once the form is completed, select the Continue button at the bottom of the form. And there you have it, a list of carriers associated with your Speedship account displayed in your shopping cart checkout. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, but for more information, go to shiprater.com.